for a scooter that blends style, technology, and trusted performance? The 2025 Honda Activa 125 might just be your perfect ride. In this video by Next Gen Reviews, we break down everything you need to know about Honda's latest upgrade to India's favourite 125cc scooter. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss what's changed this year. Refreshed design, familiar appeal. The 2025 Activa 125 gets subtle design updates that make a bold impact. With sleeker LED headlights, refreshed body graphics, and sharper contours, it's modern yet unmistakably Activa. Honda has kept the design user-friendly while adding a premium touch that urban riders will love. Performance that delivers daily. Under the seat is a refined 124 cubic centimetre BS6 Phase 2 compliant engine, offering smooth acceleration and fuel efficiency that's hard to beat. Honda's ESP, enhanced smart power tech, ensures silent starts, lower vibrations, and consistent power delivery, whether you're commuting or cruising. Tech upgrades for the smart commuter. This year, the Activa 125 gets a fully digital instrument cluster with real-time mileage info, Bluetooth connectivity for call SMS alerts, and turn-by-turn navigation. Features like a side-stand engine cutoff and idling stop system improve both safety and convenience. Why it's still a bestseller. Built for Indian roads and riders, the 2025 Activa 125 continues to deliver unbeatable reliability, strong resale value, and low maintenance costs. Honda's wide service network ensures peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. Final verdict: whether you're upgrading from a 110cc scooter or entering the 125cc segment for the first time, the 2025 Activa 125 is a smart, stylish, and sensible choice. For more expert reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews.